குட் மார்னிங். ஓம் ஸ்ரீ குருவே துணை, திருநிலையம்மன் துணை, ஓம் ஸ்ரீ வீரசாந்த மகாகாளி துணை. Number 1 question. Character of Virgo house. Answer. Any planet in the house of Virgo will spoil the character of that house. Saturn, the planet which gets moon karma, will have health disorder, first case, debt, competition and jealousy. If Mars is in Virgo, husband, younger brother, father-in-law, close friend, neighbors will enjoy this thing that Virgo can give Mars. Mars will bring lot of competition. All of Virgo's nature comes to horoscope through Mars karma. For example, Pisces Lagna Mars is in Virgo. 2-9 related Mars is in Virgo, then the nature of that Virgo will be available to this Mars. Now the horoscope will get benefit from Mars. A fuss will come through the relatives of Mars. Case comes through maternal elder uncle and father debt problem will come through them. Example, Mars is Taurus Lagna Virgo, 7-12 Lord is in Virgo. 7-12 related people will get debt, thereby causing fuss and litigation. 7th Bhava is husband, wife, partner, relationship with the outside world. 12th Bhava paternal grandmother, maternal grandfather, mother-in-law's younger brother, mother-in-law's younger sister will be influenced by Virgo and the horoscope will be troubled by Taurus Lagna. Number 2 question. If Jupiter is in 12th house, Rahu karma will manifest. Answer. Jupiter character is Rahu dosha. Character of Rahu is Pitru dosha. Traffic, chemicals, spirituality, travel, more than 2 marriages, cancer related problems, automobiles, airplanes, train travel, public works related fields, electrical related fields, oil types, accident, suicide, asthma, respiratory disorder, cancer related problems, giving Tithi would have been left out. Absence of children is spirituality, justice. All these are manifestations of Rahu karma. If Saturn is in 12th place, then Saturn Mars karma. Saturns will reduce based on business. It involves second hand vehicle availability. In matters related to insurance, the horoscope will spend 30. If Saturn is in 2-12, they will keep on telling about the expenses they have incurred. They say that they have saved money with a lot of trouble. This applies if Saturn is associated with either 2 or 12. Third question. If 12th house is occupied by 12th Lord. Answer. 12th Bhava is medical expenses, foreign countries, out of stage related expenses, getting citizenship abroad, doing business abroad, doing export and import business, water related business, urgent expenses related, you do it, waste night work. Ayana Sayana Bogam means food, bedroom, sleep related matters, refrigerators expenses. Wastage related to 12th Bhava will come to the horoscope. If the Lord of other Bhava is in the 12th Bhava, depending on that Bhava, he will also waste them. If Mercury is in the 12th house, while going to a restaurant, they look at the price instead of menu. Patta Chitta land related deeds, renewal making updates will cost a lot of money, such as a bond, ID card, ID registration number, ID card, title deed, credit card, internet item, cell phone device, pen drive, paper, invitation, advertisement, notice, magazine, application, etc. Mercury is the element of skin. Nerve and skin problems related money waste will be there. For all 12th Bhava relatives, Mercury is the planet and the Saturn karma he received will manifest to 12th Bhava. Next question, number 4. Cranamp 912. Answer. If the 12th Lord is in the 9th, distance education's father's property, foreign travel, distance travel, research, spirituality, love, deity, social work, the related expenses will not be sought by the horoscope. It will come automatically. People come to him for consecration of a temple and he will spend for this. If he 9th Lord is in the 12th Bhava, the 9th Bhavam will spend conditionally and waste it. Long distance travel, spirituality, looking for a preacher, looking for an ashram, going to an Upanyasa meeting, buying a spiritual book and higher education. The 8th 12 relationship is related to 8th Bhava, which in accident insurance, retirement pay, PF, humiliation, shame, lifespan, opponent's income, sudden expansion seeking, waste related to this will come to them. If the 8th sign is in 12th place, the horoscope will conditionally spend more. If the Lord of the 12th house is in the 10th, there will be quick expenses related to business. If the 10th Lord is in the 12th house, they will seek and waste large expenses related to business. If 12th Lord is in 6th Bhava, debt, first case, application, public service, competition, individual expenses. If 6th Lord is in 12th the horoscope, then he will find and spend the 6th Bhava expenses. If the 12th Lord is in the 12th 11th, there is a loss related to expenses related to elder brother, a loss related to stepfather, a loss related to the friends, it's loss related to managing a group, staying abroad is related to it, which will come to the horoscope. If Lord of 11th Bhava is in 12th, they will seek and do quick expenses related to this. If the 12th Lord is in 3, cell phone, internet, mail, social networking, through this unwanted expenses, registrations related waste expenses, communication related wastages will come. If the third Lord is in the 12th, the person himself will go in search and waste things. They will search and waste things for the father-in-law due to the third sign. If the 12th Lord is into the second Bhava is family, speech, elder, mother, uncle, great grandmother, and this will come in search of the related quick expenses. Doing good things will become futile. If the second Lord is in the 12th house, the horoscope will seek and waste the expenses related to the second house. Their speech becomes unwanted. They still talk knowing that it is useless. If the 12th Lord is into, even his useful talk will be useless. If the 12th Lord is in the 7th, the husband-wife will seek wastage through them. If the 7th Lord is in the 12th, the husband-wife through them, they themselves will seek and spend wastefully. They will waste on marriage-related expenses. Number 5. If the 12th Lord is in a different house. Answer. likes to isolate himself. If it is in second bhava, verbal expression, income, elder, maternal, uncle will bring despair to them. Desperation sets in when trying. If in fourth bhava, education, mother, movable property, immovable property will bring despair. If it is in the fifth bhava, children, sports and love will bring despair. If it is in the sixth bhava, job and debt will bring despair. If in the seventh bhava, joint venture, husband, wife, contact with the outside world will lead to despair. If it is in the eighth bhava, taking a break, taking rest or retirement will result in despair. If it is in the ninth bhava, the father will bring despair. If it is in the 10th house, business will bring despair. If it is in the 11th house, the desire for profit will bring despair. Subha Ashubha Virayam Ayana Sayana Bhogam there will bring despair. Depending on where the 12th lord is placed, the person will have frustration and would want to go out of the family. The horoscope will definitely feel the urge to leave the town. Relationship, resentment and frustration will be their mood. Number 6. The 12th lord is the invisible sign. Answer. Where the 12th lord goes and sits, that place cannot be defeated. If 12th lord sits in 9th, don't argue with father. Both of your thoughts will be contradicting. Opposing truths of intriguing contrast will be found. Affectionate father and son, but the views of the two will be different and will never agree. Depending on this sign, one should be patient and calm and should not argue. Number 7. Difference between 8th place and 12th place. Answer. If the 12th lord is in the 4th house, study related material, pen, pencil, note, hall ticket, educational related material, all these will be lost. 8th lord will make them lose automatically. Where the 12th lord is in, things related to that bhava will be hidden and keep wandering around looking for it. The 12th bhava is the bhava behind our back. Number 8. 12th lord is sun karma. Answer. There will not be a smooth relationship. Depending on that bhava, it is like a employer-employee relationship. 12th correspondence sun station is spoiled. 1-12-12-1 contacts sun karma. Father station will be inactive. The person who has lost his father's position, who bought VRS, who has suffered loss in business, who has no means of earning, who lives by waiting for someone else's hand, in such a situation 1-12-12-1 will be the father position of those who are related. Lagna lord in 12th position and 12th lord is in Lagna. It looks like his father is disabled. There will be two-way communication. If 12th lord is placed in 6th bhava, there will be sun karma in maternal family bath. So there will be double dosa. If it is 7th bhava, there is sun karma in spouse family. If the 12th lord is in the 12th bhava, the maternal grandfather, paternal grandmother has a relationship with the sun karma in the family line. In which bhava the 12th lord is placed, there we have the sun karmic connection directly or indirectly.